Beloved Barebones Pebble Smart fitness trackers are set to make a comeback in 2025 after more than 8 years of being discontinued. Back in January this year, Pebble's founder and ex-CEO Eric announced his plans to revive the lineup and followed it up with revealing prototypes for two watches, the Core 2 Duo and Core Time 2, later in March. These watches offer 30 days of battery life and runs an open source version of Pebble OS. Now he shared a couple of updates regarding these watches on a third episode of his podcast, TikTok, which is specifically about updates of Pebble OS watches. First, the parent company Core Devices has been able to get the Pebble trademark back and will be able to sell it that name. Previously announced watches are going to be sold as Pebble 2 Duo and Pebble Time 2, while Core is likely to remain a part of the company's identity. It is not known whether newer watches will be launched with that series or they will be branded as Core Pebble or just Pebble. The second update is the design of the Pebble Time 2. He revealed the near final design of Pebble Time 2 and shared other details of the display and components. Inspired by the original Pebble Time Steel, the reincarnated version comes with an all metal chassis made of stainless steel. Contrary to the design teased in March, Time 2 does not feature a rectangular dial, instead has subtle curves along the left and right edges. There are four buttons along the periphery, three on one side and one on the other, just like the plastic Pebble 2 Duo, but that also came with a checker plate pattern engraved on the bottom. The Time 2 comes in two colors, including silver and black, both of which will have same metal finish on the path of the dial that visible on the top. The third option, which was also promised in March, but he said there'll be two more color options. While he did not share any details, he hinted there'll be a red or blue insert between the upper and lower metal plates. The watch uses standard 22 lugs, so you can choose variety of generic watch bands along with the ones available by Pebble. The display has previously been confirmed to be nearly 1.5-inch e-paper display with support for 64 colors. While the colors appear to be muted, the team is able to use multicolor LED as a backlight source for the display, which could tweak the color temperature of the display or enable a warm tone for the night. The top glass is said to be flat. As he said, it should help reduce reflection from light sources. The display is supposed to support touch, but the team appears to not have figured it out how to use it.